Oh, the beautiful Rego Park, QCM, Queens in the Mall. Let's talk about it. How did you guys do in 2022 versus 2023? Q1 to Q3. Let's do it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newman here, Chris Newman Real Estate, chrisnewmanrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe. Instagram is Chris Newman Real Estate. New York's agent is, or you can kind of still find me, Chris Newman Real Estate on Twitter. Obviously, YouTube, Chris Newman Real Estate. Email me, hey Chris at Chris Newman Real Estate. All other information, you guys will see it in the description below. All right, let's talk about it. Q1 through Q3, 2022 versus 2023. It kind of sounds like a rhyme, but you can't rhyme 3 with 3 unless there's like a consistent, stanza. All right, whatever. Townhouses, right? Let's talk about it. Townhouses in Rego Park. All right, a lot of people go to Rego Park for that beautiful Queens in the Mall. There's actually 2 malls, right? You have Queens in the Mall. You have a few things over there. You have Queens in the Mall, then you go over, you have the Target Mall where you have the Macy's backstage there, and the Target, and I believe Best Buy is there too, if I'm not mistaken. And then somewhere in the back streets, you have a big mall where there was a Century 21, and people go to like the BBQs and next to the Olive Garden. Have a good one. And all right, let's do it. Townhouses in Rego Park, 2022. Again, Q1 through Q3. All right, so we had 63 sales, Q1 through Q3 in 2022 of townhouses in Rego Park. 2023, we only sold 41. All right, 41. It's a 22 home drop, 22 home difference. So we sold less properties. How did we do in the price point vicinity? 2022, average sales price, $1,090,000. 2023, $1,010,000. That's an $80K drop. Rego, what's going on? Days on the market, 74 in 2022. 82 in 2023. So that's 8 more days. All right, so basically all in all, we've sold less townhouses, we sold less properties for less money and stayed on the market 8 days, about a week and a half longer. As far as the average price point difference in percentage, 7.3%. So we're down 7.3% townhouse market in Rego Park, all right? Co-op. In 2022, we had 86 co-ops. Again, it says Q1 through Q3, all right? January 1st through September 30th, 2022 and 2023. So in 2022, we had 86 co-op sales. Now, when we get to the co-ops and the condos, these are all size condos and co-ops. Studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3, so on and so forth. We had 86 co-op sales in 2022. In 2023, we had 70 co-op sales. That's a 16 unit difference. Not so bad, not so good. All right, average price, co-ops again, the more affordable properties in a sense to sell. We had the average price point in 2022 was $340K. In 2023, it was $328K. All right, so that's a $12K difference. Not too shabby. Days on the market in 2022 was 90, in 2023, 93. So we stayed on the market a little longer. So, to summarize it, we sold less units for less money and stayed on the market 3 days longer than we should have. All right, as far as percentile, we are down 3.5% on average price in co-ops in the Rego Park area. Condos, let's talk about it. Did we do better in the condo market? Did we do better in the condo market? Let's look and see. Condos in 2022, again, it's Q1 through Q3. Condos in 2022, we sold 43 condos. 43 condos. In 2023, we actually went up 64 condos, so we sold more. So the condo market actually went up. Oh, yeah, condo market actually went up. So I looked at the co-op market for a quick second. Average price in 2022 was at $555. In 2023 was at $490. So we sold more units for less money 65K difference. Let's look at days on market. 2022, 82 days on the market. 2023, 99 days on the market. So we sold more units for less money and stayed on the market 17 days longer on average. Dollar for dollar, we are at an 11.7% decline. So we're down 11.7% in the condo market in Rego Park. Rego Park, we can do better. You know how we're going to do better? We're going to get Chris Newton to go there and sell the units, sell these co-ops, sell these condos, and sell these townhouses, especially these townhouses, the way they need to be sold. All right? Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. I'm always, you know what's crazy? I'm always in Rego Park because I'm always shopping. Right? I'm always shopping. So, you know what? I'm going to do a video in QCM. That's what I'm going to do. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. Reach out if you guys need help buying or selling. You guys want to move to Florida, somebody from Florida want to move to New York. You don't even have to be in New York and want to move to Florida. You could be in, Calabasas. If you want to buy something in Florida, I'm your person. Let's talk about it. Have a great one, guys.